Hey y'all, so today I'm going to make a couple of Christmas ornaments using some silicone beads and some bells. So I've got all that laid out here. You're going to need a latch hook here. You could use a needle to push your beads through the holes, but I mean, this is so much easier. And this is, I mean, I would recommend like going to a craft store and buying one. They do make these. Some of the bead suppliers sell these. This one here, that's a long, skinny one to put all your beads on and pull it all through at once. I don't like this. I broke it the first time I used it. It's very, very flimsy. I don't like it. The hook's not very big on it. I don't know. I just don't like it. So I would go get one at the craft store. I cannot tell you where I got this because I've had this one for 30 or 40 years. I used to do those rug things when I was a kid. Anyway, so I'm using 2mm nylon cord. I've already cut it and burned my ends so it wouldn't fray. I've got this cut to about 16 inches. And we're just going to start beading on. Start with my bell. So we work from the bottom to the top. So I'm going to put my bell on here and get it in the middle as best I can. And then start beading here. So I start with my ring because it's going to sit right on top of my bell. And then just bead your other beads on here. I'm going to put this dog. And you work upside down. Okay? So your beads go on right. And I'm going to put this little white one here. You can use any beads. My rings are 65mm. This round one's a 15mm round, my focal here. I'll have everything listed, or try to, in the description below. I mean, if you see something or want something specific and can't find, just give me a holler. I'll do my best to get you the information. So I just kind of work that on there. Okay, we're going to finish this one up. I'm just going to put this one on top. Just like that. Now I'm going to tie a knot. Push that down as tight as I can get it. Okay. I'm actually going to try to undo this and make it tight. It's not as tight as I want it to be. And this is a nail killer. There we go. Okay, try to get that knot a little tighter. You want to get it pushed down and tight on there so that your beads don't move. Pull that tight. there, that's better. Okay, I leave about a 2.5-inch gap between here. I've got a little measuring thing over here. I'm gonna measure just a 2.5-inch gap. That's more than enough space to hang on the tree there. Tie my knot there. Cut off any extra. And burn it. Might have to do this off camera. I've got a fan blowing on me. Just burn your knot, burn the ends there so that it doesn't come undone or fray. And there we go. Super cute Christmas ornament. I'm going to make another one here. Same thing. Probably speed this one up a little bit. These don't take very long to do at all. Super customizable. There's so many beads out there. Make pretty much anything you want to. And again, they don't necessarily have to be, you know, the Christmassy, the traditional Christmassy. These would be cute hanging on the tree just as well. Make great presents too. Now we're going to finish off the top. Of course, you work backwards to get your beads on the right way you want to. Don't worry, you will mess up and put them on upside down and out of order that you originally wanted. No big deal, just take them back off. Redo it. There we go. Whoop. Tie my knot. Tight. Leave my 2.5-inch gap for hanging. We've got a measuring thing over here. And these are from the bottom of the bill to the top of the knot. These are about 6 inches long. Burn that in here. I'm out of fluid. Okay, well, so here we go. Done. Quick and easy. Super cute. And yeah, if y'all have any questions, just give me a holler. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And until next time, see ya.